Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll give you a quick tour of the application's homepage, which is called My Events. The look of your My Events page is dependent on what type of user you are. If you've never used the application to schedule and host your own events, then your My Events page would look like this. This My Events page only displays the Events I'm Invited To table, located here. The Events Awaiting Your Response box, located here, indicates a number of events currently requiring a response from you. A red ball next to the event in the Events I'm Invited To table gives you a visual cue of which events require your attention. Click this link, located here, if you'd like to view a video tutorial on how to respond to the actual events you've been invited to. If you use this application to schedule your own events, then your My Events page would look like this. This My Events page contains two separate tables. The upper table, labeled Events I'm Hosting, displays each event where you are the host. Hosted events are events that you've created and where you control the complete scheduling process. The lower table, labeled Events I'm Invited To, lists all of the events that you've been invited to by other hosts using this app to schedule their own events. Let's start from the top and work our way down on the My Events page. The upper portion of the page contains 5 icons. 4 of these icons are used to access different areas of the program. Each of these areas are explained in detail with their own video tutorials that can be found on the tutorial page. The 5th icon, when clicked, pops up a handy calendar for your scheduling convenience. Feel free to click on any of these icons to navigate around the app. You can click on My Info, then you can hop over to My Contacts. It's easy to hop around. Now let's head back to My Events by clicking the My Events icon located here. This display gives you a quick look at how many events are currently awaiting your confirmation. The count located here corresponds to the events listed in your Events I'm Hosting table. A green ball next to an event in the Events I'm Hosting table also gives you a visual cue of which events you're hosting and are still awaiting your confirmation. The Events I'm Invited To awaiting my response count, located here, corresponds to the events listed in your Events I'm Invited To table. A red ball next to an event in the Events I'm Invited To table also gives you a visual cue of which events are awaiting a response from you. The blue box located here will either display how many days you have remaining in your annual ProPack subscription, if you are a ProPack subscriber, or if you're a standard user, the box will look like this and display the number of events you have remaining to schedule before you'll need to add more events. The green Create New Event button, located here, is what you'll click when you want to schedule another event. Clicking this button brings up the easy-to-use, step-by-step Create Events tabs. We'll click the red Save Event Progress Return to My Events button to return to the My Events page. Let's take a closer look at the My Events I'm Hosting table. Each row represents a unique event. The action links located on the right side allow you to view the current details about each of your events by clicking the Monitor button next to the event you wish to view. To return to your My Events page, you simply click the red Return to My Events button located here. You can edit the specific details for any events you're hosting by clicking on the green Edit button next to the corresponding event you'd like to edit. This brings up the Edit Event screen, where you can make any necessary changes to your events. Maybe you'd like to add an additional invitee to your event. Click on the Invitees tab and go right ahead. Or maybe you'd like to extend your RSVP deadline time. Do this by clicking the Event Settings tab and extend the RSVP time listed by clicking the green Enter RSVP Date/Time button located here. When finished with your edits, you simply save your changes by clicking the red Save Event Progress Return to My Events button located here. Once again, we're returned to the My Events page. The Delete link located here allows you to permanently delete an event. Note, permanently deleted events will no longer be viewable by you or your guests. Typically, you would use the Delete link to delete past events. That is, events you've scheduled and have already taken place. Deleting past events helps you to keep your My Events page clean and organized. Keep in mind that deleting events is not the same as canceling an event. Deleting removes the entire event, and canceling keeps the event and allows you to notify your guests of the cancellation. View the Cancel Event tutorials for full details on the differences. The display and search for event boxes located above each table allows you to filter or search for specific events. The display filter is based on the event status located here. So if you'd like to just view your events that are confirmed, you can. Highlight the confirmed status from the drop-down box, and only those events whose status is confirmed will be displayed. You can also search for events by entering a keyword to search for in the box located here. I'll enter the word Office and click the search button. All events with the word Office in it are now displayed in the Events I'm Hosting table. Let's move on to the Events I'm Invited to table located here. This table contains all the events that I've been invited to by a host using this scheduling application. Any events with a red wall next to it requires my response. Click the action links located on the right side of each event to display the Event Response page. The Event Response page displays the event's most current details and is also where you can view and post your own comments, and where you'll input your own availability for the event. When you're finished viewing the details on the Event Response page, click the My Events icon located here to return to the My Events page. Once again, you may filter the events you've been invited to or search for specific events you've been invited to by utilizing the display drop-down box located here or the keyword search feature located here. As you can see, the My Events page acts as the home page or the central hub of your scheduling application. From your My Events page, you can navigate to your My Info, My Contacts, or Video Tutorials page. You can create and schedule new events. You can monitor, edit, or delete your hosted events. Or you can pop open any of your events to view its most current details, post comments, or modify event information. We encourage you to explore the app by clicking all the icons and links. Have fun and enjoy life's events. This concludes the My Events page tutorial. Thanks for watching.